Welcome everyone to a new video on the channel. Today, we will be taking a look at two very common patterns, which are flags and pennants. Both of these patterns can be characterized as continuation patterns. What does that mean? That means that they simply represent a pause in the overall trend, which can be either to the upside or to the downside. Both of these patterns are usually preceded by a sharp move in the stock price, whether it be to the up or to the downside. As these patterns are forming, what we should see is volume decreasing. The way we should be thinking about volume is as if it is a voting system. So in this case, if we see volume decreasing, it would mean that there is not much interest in going against the trend. Although it's not a general rule, most of the time these patterns occur at the halfway point of a measured move. Alright, so now let's take a look at both of these patterns specifically. So in terms of flags, we have bull and bear flags. Bull flags occur in overall uptrends, and the opposite is true for a bear flag. The flag consists of two parallel lines which go against the primary market trend. Then moving on, we have the pennant pattern, which is characterized by a large initial price movement, followed by a consolidation period where the volume is very low. Now, both of these patterns trade in exactly the same way. As with most patterns, what we do is trade the breakout. If you're interested in learning much more about breakouts and how those work specifically, I made a dedicated video talking about 4 different breakout confirmation methods that you can use in order to determine if a breakout is in fact going to be true or not. If you are interested in watching that, I will put that video. The link will be in the description below. Of course, these patterns always vary on a case-by-case basis, but what you can do in order to identify your take profits target is, of course, to use the measured move by looking at the height of the move which preceded either the flag or the pennant and projecting that same length upon confirmation of the breakout. Alright, so that pretty much wraps up today's video. If you wouldn't mind just dropping a like for me, I would really appreciate that. I will see you guys in the next one.